When you're holding millions of addresses in different formats across multiple systems, there's plenty of scope for error. Add to that the inconsistencies caused by manual input, plus over 2.7 million address changes made in Great Britain every 6 weeks, and it's easy to see how quickly your address data can get out of date. This can lead to lost revenue, costly compensation claims, poor delivery of goods and services, staff time lost through inefficient processes, and the failure to detect fraudulent use of an alternative address. Aligned Assets Matching and Cleansing Solution matches against the most up-to-date dataset available, AddressBase Premium. Our matching algorithms provide exceptional accuracy at unparalleled speed. How does it work? Firstly, it runs an automated match. You can tailor this to the type of data you're trying to match and constantly refine it to achieve the best possible results. As well as accuracy, our solution can be configured to achieve ultra-high-speed matching at 50 million addresses in just 10 hours. The addresses that are left can be matched manually. Our matching solution will provide detail on potential matches, allowing your staff to make informed choices. For example, it could show any parent or child properties, especially useful for blocks of flats. Its status, i.e. whether it's in use. Other properties in close proximity. A map showing the location. Once complete, simply export the cleansed results back to your source system. Now your address data is the most up-to-date and accurate it can be, including UPRNs to ensure a single truthful address. This accuracy will enable you to increase administrative efficiency, save field staff time by deploying to the correct address every time, increase revenue through accurate billing, ensure delivery of goods and services on time, and reduce the risk of fraud. All our solutions can be hosted on-site or in the cloud, saving you substantial infrastructure and maintenance costs. Match and cleanse your customer address data to the AddressBase Premium standard with the Aligned Assets Matching and Cleansing solution.